As a professional, if you're making videos, should you just stick to the facts or should you try to show a little more personality? That's not really my personality. That was a really lame example of my personality, but you get the idea. Should you be a little bit more personable and demonstrate who you really are, or should you just stick to the facts? The answer is, it's in between. You want a good balance. You want to know that you're creating a good impression, because you don't want to be so maybe over the top that you're turning off your target audience. But of course, it depends on your target audience. If they are okay with you being over the top, then definitely do that. But you definitely don't want to turn people off. So really consider who it is you're talking to, what they expect from you, and then approach your videos from that perspective. But yes, you should absolutely show a little more personality, because if you're just giving the facts, people can get those facts from anywhere. You know, even for myself, like I maybe don't do as good of a job of presenting myself in a more personal way, but I think that when you watch these videos, you really get a sense of who I am, because this is how I normally talk to other people. So it's not really me trying to be this person that's on the videos, I'm just being myself. How you can be more personal, and my recommendation and what I need to work on as well, is just sharing more personal stories, being just more natural with what you're doing, what you're talking about. I mean, right now I'm making these videos and I'm literally making them quite late at night because I didn't have time to make them during the day. And in fact, I made a bunch of videos earlier where I was using this light behind me and I had it in a purple color, and it ended up making my entire face purple. So I'm making these videos now really late at night simply because I messed them up. Yeah, it happens, and the reason why it happened was because I was looking at the screen on my camera. It was really tiny. I didn't really notice that the purple was so strong. So I make mistakes too. That's just an example of how I can be a little more personal, and how you can be more personal too, just by sharing some stories. All right, so there you go. When you're thinking about making videos and wondering, all right, should they be more professional and giving the facts, or more personal? It's a balance. You want to strike a good balance between the two because you want to be approachable. You want people to think, yes, I do like you, I want to work with you. If you're not sure what kind of videos you should be creating, have a look at some of the videos that are showing up on the screen now, and those will help you to decide what kind of videos you should be making and whether or not you should be making videos at all. If you want some further help, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to chat with you about videos for you and your business. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. They'll give you some help as far as what kind of videos, when you should be, oh my God. This is a lot harder than it looks sometimes.